guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these Dior Oblique Sandals from Chloe Bags. And as you guys know, Chloe Bags is one of my favorite when it comes to high quality reps because they know how to get it spot on. And if you are new to their website, they have a lot of different designer reps like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Dior, the list goes on and on. So I'm going to be showing you guys these super cute slides for the summertime. So yeah, I love that it comes in the box, of course, and then inside you do have like a card, this little, they do come with a dust bag, so I love that these shoes have a dust bag, so great for travel. I did get mine in a size 38. I'm usually a women's 7, and these fit true to size perfectly. So these are so cute. You guys can see Christian Dior Paris. I love this little design. Like, I have the like trendy design ones before that had Christian Dior across them, but I was like, I want these because they're gonna match my other new bag from Chloe Bags, and I just wanted a cute little matching sandal and purse. So this is the bottom. Looks very legit, like so nice. Such a nice shoe, and I believe they did have these in different colors. So guys, the quality is very nice. Like, I can barely bend this. Like, it's so stiff and sturdy, just like the real Christian Dior shoes. So Chloe Bags always does an amazing job with their quality. I'm going to show you guys the other shoe as well. And like I said, these are just going to be so perfect for the summertime. Let me unwrap this. So perfect for the summer. And they're not uncomfortable at all. This is the other one. And then I'll just show you guys side by side. So the quality looks amazing. These are so cute. Can't wait to wear these. And they have so many sandal options on their website as well from different designers. So if you're looking to stock up on your sandals for the summertime, make sure you definitely check them out. I'm also going to have a discount code for you guys so you guys can save money off of your purchase on their website. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.